out even sooner than that. And because there's quite a bit of moisture in the air, we give them a little